But I gotta say, there is a difference and you will fall in love with your skin and end up staring at the mirror for hours like I did. So if your skin feels constantly inflamed, red, irritated, adding this to your vanity will be the smartest move you'll make in 2026 when it comes to skincare. So this repaired my skin barrier so well because after I used it, my peeling was gone instantly on that day. Guys, I spent thousands of dollars on clinical laser, skin boosters, and professional help, and they're great. But after having used some of these products, I realized that the gap between the professional help and the effects of these products, the gap not too far apart. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be recommending to you guys these amazing products that have literally saved me from trips going to the dermatologist's office because their effects and the results are that good, if not better, because they're more affordable, they save your time, and they're not painful at all. All right, guys, without further ado, let's get this video started right away. Chop, chop. First, the non-invasive duo. Guys, the effects that you will see after having committed to these two is pretty impressive. Now, of course, I'm not gonna sit here and pretend that these two are better than getting a skin booster or whatnot, but I gotta say, there is a difference and you will fall in love with your skin and end up staring at the mirror for hours like I did. So first, let's start off with the Delere Caviar Glow Wrapping Mask. I'm actually almost done with this one and I have never emptied out a wrapping mask, so that is saying a lot. The Caviar Glow Wrapping Mask basically is a form of ODT, occlusive dressing treatment, which is something that they use at aesthetics, facial, spas, clinics, and it basically means a wrapping system where you have a physical seal on top, which helps push in all the active ingredients deep within your skin. And what's great about this product specifically is that it has ingredient Caviar Omega, guys, which is rich in omega-3. As a matter of fact, it has 20 times more of omega-3 than tuna, which, you know, isn't tuna a superfood? So the fact that it has 20 times more is very impressive. And omega-3 is one of the few, if not the only nutrient clinically proven to actually shut down the aging forces in your body. So we're talking about any factors that cause and induce chronic inflammation, what you want to avoid at all costs for not only your skin, but your whole entire body too. So like I mentioned, guys, this is a peel off mask. So you apply it after your serum or cream if you do have more of a dry skin type, and it goes on gunky, but you spread it out thinly and you wait around like 15 minutes and you peel it off and you're left with this gorgeous glow. And while you're using this, not only are you getting that occlusive dressing treatment, this also, as you peel it off, gives you a little bit of exfoliation. And that's why they only recommend you to use this like twice a week, which is like the only downside of this product, because I want to be using this every day because the glow it gives me is truly, I have no words to describe it. It is so glowy, yet there is no residue at all. I swear, every time I do a tissue test, like the results still amazes me. I'm like, wow. So basically a tissue test, if you guys didn't know, is when you have a tissue, you rub it on the glow, the tissue will just slide off and your skin will still look glow, which means that it's not sticky, it doesn't have any residue. So what's great about Delere is that they actually raise their own caviar, so it's fresh, no purity lost in transit, no oxidization. It's puro caviar, and it has peptide collagen and low molecular collagen, which are all amazing to give you that plumped up skin look. And also in conjunction, I have been really enjoying this retinol serum that they have, the Caviar Glow Skin Smoothing Serum. This also has 10% of Caviar Omega as well as gentle retinol and niacinamide. So it's like the powerhouse for well aging. And I love that the formulation is so light because the weather is getting hotter in Korea. And so I've been really drawn to this light texture, and it just rests so comfortably on top of your skin. So after I do my retinol, during my night routine, I go in with the Caviar Wrapping Glow Mask whenever I need a little bit of that loving care. So as I mentioned in my recent video, P.S. this video is not sponsored, but you guys know Delere is having an amazing promotion. They are selling these amazing kits that were curated by myself and Yunyani, and I think you guys will absolutely enjoy them. They have amazing deals up to 59% off, and I feel like this is probably better than any deals you will ever find. I think it's higher than a Black Friday deal, legit, and it's free shipping, and you do get extra freebies such as the toner and the mist, which have been all working great. My personal favorite is the glow kit because I am infatuated with the wrapping mask, which you will get 2 of these and a serum and a toner and a mist, everything for just $70 because it's 50% off. So make sure to check the deals out. I think it's such a great deal, and I think you guys will really like it if you guys have been enjoying my recommendations. So yeah, check this out. The next product is literally a fire extinguisher for my skin, and it has saved me so many trips from going to the dermatologist office, and it is the La Prairie Calming Phyto Gel. I have never come across a cooling gel that is as effective as this one. It honestly feels like I'm getting a cryotherapy for my skin at the derm's office, which I have gotten before whenever I have intense redness. I don't know what they put in this. It is so freaking good. They better have this on Amazon. So if your skin feels constantly inflamed, red, irritated, adding this to your vanity will be the smartest move you'll make in 2026 when it comes to skincare. This is an esthetician level grade gel designed to immediately repair the skin barrier, guys. It also kind of works as an occlusive dressing treatment because the finish of this gel is like no other. So usually when you use other aloe gels or cooling gels, you guys notice like the finish, it kind of evaporates or disappears, should I say. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but with some aloe vera gels, it even dries out my skin. But with this one, it leaves a nice occlusive finish. So whenever I use this, I do a huge thick layer. I just dump it on, and after some time, what you're left is with this sticky occlusive barrier. And I think that is the key that makes this product so effective. Because of that occlusive barrier, it forces the skin to calm and cool down with all of the amazing ingredients. So this not only has centella in it, of course, but guazulan and deep sea mineral water. And the ingredient list overall is pretty simple, which I do appreciate. And I think that's also what makes it so effective in treating red skin. This is honestly part of my SOS routine, and I think because it targets the redness, heat, and discomfort so well, which is the exact issue that people want to target when going to like spas to get facials, it honestly realistically replaces a lot of my trips going to the derm's office. So I just love this with passion. It's so good. Now I will say it is pretty pricey. Like for a calming gel, I looked at the price, I was like, whoa, but honestly the effects are so good. For me, it's still worth it. And you do get a lot of product. You get 150 ml. So I highly recommend this if you guys are looking for that perfect calming gel to use in the summer times or whenever your skin is getting flared up. And my little tip for you guys is before I wrap up, do not use this under your makeup because it does get thick and sticky. So I do love using this during the night times, or if I do have to put on makeup, I do erase this and then go in. But 5 stars. Complimenti. It's so good, guys. Last but not least, next product is the Skin Barrier Architect, and it is the Dr. Visual Advanced LC Serum by Berry Cream. I do feel like a broken record at this point because I've been mentioning this so many times, but honestly, guys, this product works the best for me when it comes to restoring my damaged skin barrier. So recently, what happened was I was testing out a lot of products with high amount of actives like the azelaic acid. You guys know that's trending. I was also trying out the Mamong PHA essence because it's going viral. It is a very popular product in Korea. So I was testing all of these potent products for a video, which is gonna go up soon, but they were powerful. So my skin started peeling, like literally peeling like a reptile. And I was like, oh my gosh, what is going on? What do I do? And guys, a tip I have here, if you do see any peeling, do not, for the love of God, peel them off by force. Do not do that because that is the worst thing you can do for your skin barrier. What you want is to just coat it with a nice barrier cream like this one. And this works. This repaired my skin barrier so well because after I used it, my peeling was gone instantly on that day, on the day of me using this. And I tried other barrier creams, guys, just in case maybe it was the fact that I was using a barrier cream that would resolve my peeling. But no, I would use other really popular ones too in Korea. But I hit the jackpot with this one because with the other barrier creams, I didn't really see a difference. It was like the same. I was still peeling. So this is the one for me. Like I haven't found my lifelong partner, but for my skin, I believe I met him or her. So this product is going to perform what is called a lipid reconstruction therapy. It's basically going to help glue back your skin barrier, damaged skin barrier, and prevent it from leaking moisture. Oh, P.S. guys, mine looks a little different because it is the bigger size. Hallelujah. This is a 90 ml version, and I all for it. Like, I love it when brands release a bigger version. Like, I will pay that extra money to get the bigger version because I go through the small, like the regular version so fast. I just emptied on another one and it's like, I just need a bigger version. So they do have a 90 ml. It is a bit more expensive, so make sure when you get it when it's on sale. But what makes this cream so special is that it has 1% of the long chain ceramides. So a lot of the barrier creams, they use a short chain ceramides, which is cheaper, but it's not as effective as helping out with your skin barrier. Whereas with long chains, it actually mimics the actual lipid structure of your skin. So it's a lot more effective, a lot more expensive. That's why the price of this cream is actually not cheap at all. It's pretty up there, but I think it's worth it because it works so well for my skin. And this cream also has the ingredient beta-sitosterol, which is the secret ingredient in ointments helping with burns. It also has D-panthenol, which is going to act as a bandage for your skin barrier as well. Now the formulation is a lot thicker. It actually is very reminiscent to the OG Attoberry cream if you were a fan like I was, but it is thick. But what I love about this is that it melts down on your skin. I use this whenever I feel a lot of dryness. I just dump it on. What's so interesting is that the places where it's extra dry, it kind of disappears, sinks in faster, which I thought was fascinating. So it feels like a buttery cream, and I love that it has no residue afterwards. Speaking of, now that I've mentioned the Attoberry cream, which is also great for barrier care, the reason why I do lean over towards this one is because the formulation, it melts down a lot better than the Attoberry one, because the Attoberry one has capsules in it and it's more appropriate if you have more combo skin, but this one kind of butters up my face. And so if you have more of a dry skin type, I do recommend this one. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Especially check out these Recs. I'm obsessed with them. They have saved me so much money and time going to the dermatologist's office and the spa and the clinic because they work. Also, make sure to check out the amazing promotion Delere is having. I'll leave all of the information down in the description box. But yes, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next. Ciao!